You've got to try this for lunch next time. It's easy and delicious. Start by adding a bit of oil to a pan. Then add 4 garlic cloves, sliced onion and saute lightly. Next, add 500 g of chicken breast cut into strips. Add half an onion, broccoli, ham and corn. Mix and saute well. Season with a little salt. Add some black pepper and smoked paprika. Give it another stir. Cover and let it cook for a bit. In a blender, add 500 g cooked potatoes, butter and some milk. Add black pepper and salt if you like. Blend it all until smooth. After a while, check out how amazing the chicken looks. Now on top, just add all our potato cream. Folks, the pressure cooker I'm using is available on our Pobre na Cocina store website. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment. Now, mix everything well and our lunch or dinner is ready. Look everyone, it's incredible, super quick, easy and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time and thanks.